everybody. It is Saturday morning. We're on our way to Cancun, but first I need to go down to the M Club Lounge and grab a couple bottles of water.
I don't wanna stay here, no. Ain't gonna keep it low now. If you wanna go, let's go. Let's wrap it up and hit the road. I just got an awesome vibe, striking the winner post now. Liberty's on my mind. We've taken off, we've left the ground. You gotta understand.
They actually let us leave our car here while we are in Cancun. So we booked a park and fly rate. Leave your vehicle for up to 14 nights, I believe it is. So I'm going to go. They have a special place where they want you to park your vehicle. So I'm going to go move our car there now.
Through the summer night, and when we are old and gray, we look back at this summer night. This summer night. Sleeping in the back of a van, roaming in the wilderness. We never need a plan. We'll be alright, just you and I.
So I got my triple mocha frappuccino, no coffee.
They might have been like in the thing.
Especially just tastes like a milkshake. Yeah, it's pretty good.
We have 27.
So we're just getting ready to take off. We're on our plane.
Yep.
Looks like we might, hopefully we'll beat the snowstorm at Columbus.
We aboard Southwest Airlines Flight
See you in
612
Cancun. We've made it. We're in Cancun, Mexico.
We are here.
We're going to be, we're still chatting for a little bit, and then we're going to, and at the airport have to go through immigration and customs, and then the gauntlet. The gauntlet is where all you have to like walk through all the people trying to sign you up for timeshare tours and
all the
transportation.
stuff you avoid.
Yeah, so then we
With
got
the transportation before you get here.
Yeah, we got to go to the transportation outside. So see you on the other side. So we've made it to the Westin Lagunamar. Took us about an hour from the time the plane landed to when we actually got to the resort. Immigration and customs was actually pretty quick, and there wasn't a whole lot of vendors and things in what they call the gauntlet at Cancun Airport. So we made it through pretty quick. We got our transfer and we're now here. We're just waiting on our room to be ready. So it's a beautiful resort. It's actually a beautiful day. It's not too hot. Not too much of a breeze, but I'm kind of protected here where I'm at, so it's actually pretty nice out here. So that's one thing about Lagunamar is the rooms are very rarely ever ready if you get here before 4 p.m. and then sometimes even after 4 p.m. It still takes them a while.
Hard to see from the moment we arrive. You are one who will survive. Don't mean a thing, what shape or form that you're in.
So our room is ready. We're gonna head there now. So we're on our way to the room. The views actually, even from up here to the lagoon side, are actually pretty beautiful. Got a great view of the lagoon and even the Cancun eye behind me. You can actually see that over my, I guess it's my right shoulder here. So good view of that. The La Isla Mall is down there as well. We'll be heading there probably for dinner tonight. That's the great thing about the Lagunamar is we're right across the street from the La Isla shopping village. So I'm gonna go get in our room. We're in our room. We have a studio here at Lagunamar. It's actually pretty good size. It's got a little kitchenette area, fridge. It's only got a queen size bed. We're used to a king at home, so it'll be a bit of an adjustment. Maybe Missy will end up sleeping on the couch.
No.
We'll put Missy on the couch.
No.
So I'll sleep in the bed. Missy can sleep on the couch and I can sprawl out.
No.
Okay, we'll make it work. We're in room 417, building 400. On the 7th floor. I think there's only one floor above us. So we're in a pretty good view behind me. Beautiful view of the Caribbean Sea. It's pretty amazing out there, isn't it? Good view of the two pools, the infinity pool over there, and then the other pool, the upper pool they call it, down there. So we certainly have a great view from our room here at the Westin Lagunamar. I'm actually going to be heading out here shortly. I'm going to go and get some groceries, going down to Soriana and get some groceries. We actually have them deliver it. What I buy down there, I'll have them deliver it up to the Westin Lagunamar. So it's kind of handy. They don't charge very much for delivery. I'm going to be heading down there. I'm probably going to walk or maybe take the bus. I'm not sure. We might walk down, take the bus back. So we'll be going here shortly. Okay, so we've gotten to our room. I started to unpack a little bit and Missy's going to finish the packing. And at the moment, I'm heading down to the grocery store. We're going to get a few groceries for our room for breakfast and some snacks. I have a list in my pocket, so I'm going to do that and maybe we'll check out a few sites along the way. The bus honking its horn. So this across the street is the La Isla Shopping Village or La Isla Shopping Mall. And that's where we'll be going to dinner pretty much most nights. We pretty much just spend our time at the Lagunamar and we go over there for dinner. We're the gringos. We eat at all the gringo places. So there is also the Cancun Eye. I'm not sure if we'll do that. I'll have to check it out. So Live Aqua, that's what is right behind me right now. It's a big all-inclusive, very expensive all-inclusive here in Cancun. So this property, it's vacant land here. At one time, and I think it actually still is owned by Marriott Vacation Club International. They've just never actually developed the property. It's pretty small, it's not a very big property, so they wouldn't be able to put a very big timeshare on it, but it would have given them the chance to have a timeshare in Cancun. Of course, now they've bought ILG, which owns Vistana, so they can potentially have the Westin Lagunamar in their portfolio. So as I'm walking here to the grocery store towards Soriana, I see a lot of people carrying their groceries, which really isn't necessary. Of course, I guess if you don't have a lot, it's nothing to worry about, but if you have a bunch of groceries, some people have like 4 or 5 bags in each hand, you can actually do delivery, and delivery is very cheap, so that's what I'm going to be doing because I'm going to have a lot of water. We don't usually drink the water here in Cancun. For making tea or just drinking water, we buy bottled water at the grocery store. So I'm going to have them deliver our groceries. Lots of fresh tortillas. I even got some fresh tortilla chips. Very cheap. These are only $1 US when you convert it, and the tortillas are only maybe less than 50 cents even, probably. And we're also going to get some donuts. Their donuts are basically about $3 for a dozen, so they don't have a very good selection this time though. They had a lot better selection the last time we were here. One thing when you're in When you get donuts here, you actually get a tray, and then you put your donuts on the tray, and you take it up to the counter, and they package them up for you. Chorizo. Okay, so I just finished shopping at Soriana, and I'm going to head back to the hotel, because they'll be delivering that pretty quick. They're usually pretty fast. Only 30 pesos, so about $1.50 to have that delivered. We are at La Madonna. Come over here to get some. This is a great Italian restaurant, so we're going to have dinner here. We're at La Isla Shopping Center. Excited?
Yeah.
I'm hungry. We haven't eaten since we had like 2 cookies earlier, and this.
We had a frappuccino.
Yeah, we had a frappuccino for breakfast. This is our like only real food for the day so far. So this is it. Make it count.
8:30.
So here is the menu for La Madonna. Okay, so what did we order?
We ordered a cheese fondue with bread, and we each got an order of the lasagna with bolognese sauce and cream.
Sounds good.
It's our favorite.
I don't wanna stay here, no. Ain't gonna keep it low now. If you wanna go, let's go. Let's wrap it up and hit the road. I just got an awesome vibe. Striking the winner post now. Liberty's on my mind. We've taken off, we've left the ground. You gotta understand that we get one chance, one chance. You will never regret the things that we'll do.
It's so delicious.
This summer night, this summer night, this summer night. Sleeping in the back of a van, roaming in the wilderness. We don't ever need a plan. We'll be alright, just you and us.
It was a big bite.
Yeah, with a big bite. It's really good. It is really good. Bring you this fresh baked bread and warm tortillas. I think it's supposed to come out like when we first get our food, but ours was a little bit late. Those warm tortillas are really good. So we're both very full. Are you full?
Very full.
Very full. But we're not full enough for dessert.
Hearts will be whole again. I want to remember all that happened to us. 'Cause
So we're at McDonald's and we're gonna get a couple sundaes, chocolate, and Melissa's gonna get a caramel. There's my chocolate sundae.
Something great, but look back at this summer night. This summer night, this summer night. Oh yeah, this summer night, this summer night.
The end of the day. It's been a long day, we're tired, and we're gonna go to bed. We got up at what, 5 o'clock or 5:30 this morning? And it's now about a little bit after 11, so got all unpacked, got all our groceries, went and had a wonderful dinner at La Madonna across the street. So tomorrow we're going to get up like at 6 a.m. and go to the pool.
At least by 9:30.
By 9:30 we'll be down to the pool. Probably more like 10.
Well, I was gonna wake
Who
up at 9:30.
we kidding?
Yeah,
We'll be down there by 10.
30.
30. Okay.